Ranjan Chaudhary on the campaign trail, and it's a good old-fashioned campaign. Just a little while ago, one of the auto rickshaws leading this march called him the Robin Hood of Bengal, the Bengal Tiger. Huge, huge compliments from a constituency he has served at least 4 times in the past. But Mamata Banerjee would not agree with any of this. In February, during Parliament, he attacked Mamata Banerjee so angrily that Mamata Banerjee, who happened to be in Delhi at that time, actually complained to Sonia Gandhi. She is determined that this time Behrampur will have a new Trinamool MP. But Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is not allowing a walkover either, as you can see. But he also probably knows that his fight for the 5th term will probably be his toughest fight. He is a Mamata baiter, and the whole world knows it. A royal battle is cooking up in Behrampur, and at the heart of it, Mr. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, 4-time MP from here, gunning for a 5th term. But Mamata Banerjee has made up her mind. She says, you will not get a 5th term. How seriously worried are you?
See, do you think, after observing the euphoria, ecstasy of the common people, that should I at least worried about it? I say no, absolutely no.
But don't you have a if and a but? Like, if there is free and fair election, then?
See, in the last Panchayat elections, the democratic right of the common people have been brutally butchered by the goons, by the hoodlums, by the miscreants, by the murderers belonging to the Trinamool party in collusion with the police officials, have lost their democratic right to exercise their franchise. But now, people have been determined to cast their vote. Mamata Banerjee should realize that it is the voice of the people which had catapulted her to the chief ministerial post. And now, this voice of the people will humiliate her. Mamata Banerjee, I am warning you that you cannot suppress the people by the muscle of the administration for long, for good. So people will teach you, Mamata Banerjee, a good lesson.
There is one thing that you cannot accuse Mamata Banerjee of, and that is failing to take the bull by the horns. She is doing it just now here at Beldana, which is in the Behrampur constituency, a constituency in which the Congress incumbent MP is the Congress. Adhir, the way you are talking, like you and Mamata Banerjee are like fighting to be Prime Minister. That is not the case. That is not the case. Here, the Congress's common enemy, Mamata Banerjee's common enemy, is apparently the BJP, though she has accused you of using RSS help. So why is it that, the larger political interest is not being looked at by you or Mamata Banerjee in Behrampur?
It is the Congress party traditionally has been fighting against the menace of communalism. So Mamata Banerjee should not deliver any kind of homilies to the Congress party, because it is the Mamata Banerjee who has first rolled out the red carpet to invite BJP in the state of West Bengal. And thanks to her cooperation with the BJP party, that BJP party for the first time secured 2 MP seats in West Bengal. History has recorded everything. Now Mamata Banerjee is appearing to be fighting against the BJP party. However, mind it, you are the national, media people. You should note it. You should note it that still Mamata Banerjee has been differentiating between good BJP and bad BJP. Like George Bush, who used to talk about good Taliban and bad Taliban. The same theory is being replicated here by none other than Mamata Banerjee, who used to say that she is differentiating between good BJP and bad BJP. So I have a substantial apprehension because it has, substantial ground also to, think that whether Mamata Banerjee in future will not join BJP if bad BJP is not there and good BJP will be there.
Oh my goodness.
Because Mamata Banerjee is differentiating good BJP and bad BJP. During her large rally which has been held here in Kolkata, she, in the presence of lakhs of supporters, he exhorted them that all the RSS people, all the BJP people are not bad. What does it mean? She has already indicated that she is eager to align with good BJP. That is why her tears have been rolling down her cheeks when LK Advani has been denied the ticket. Why? Why is the hidden reason behind it? That is, it is clearly indicating that in the near future, if the post-poll situation, turns in another way, so Mamata Banerjee has been keeping her option open to align with good BJP.
Who is supporting you, Adhirda? Is it good RSS or bad RSS?
See, I here in my district, people are very much alien to the name of RSS. Mamata Banerjee is trying to strike a discord between me and the minority people in my district. Minority people in my district, who are virtually majority. It is the highest Muslim considered districts in the country who have always trust me from the core of their heart. So Mamata Banerjee is trying to create a fissure. And however, I can assure you that the conspiracy of Mamata Banerjee will not be succeeded here in the soil of Murshidabad. So Mamata Banerjee, you have to go back from the district with an empty hand.
What about Rahul Gandhi? Are you the reason why ultimately the Congress and Trinamool did not form alliance?
So never. In West Bengal, it is next to impossible so far as workers like Adhir Chaudhary will be alive.
What happens if Rahul Gandhi needs Mamata Banerjee after the elections? What will you do?
So madam, this is a very hypothetical question. And you know that I am a small fry of this party. So better you should not force me to reply on it or make any comment on it.
Mamata Banerjee has also made certain personal attacks on you.
See, this is her political narrowness. What can I say? When Mamata Banerjee and her cohorts tries to project herself as a Prime Minister of India, whether it is befitting for her to make any personal attack against me, I am inviting Mamata Banerjee to sit together to discuss on any issues. Because if you want to become the Prime Minister of India, you have to think over the economy, foreign policy, agri policy of my country. But Mamata Banerjee, here when he enters into Murshidabad district, he got, I think, delirious.
The Trinamool man in charge of Behrampur district and much more. Pretty much Mamata Banerjee's right-hand man, Mr. Shubhendu Adhikari. Mr. Adhikari, Behrampur is a big challenge for you.
Not only Behrampur, I am looking after 6 districts in undivided Midnapur, that means East, West and Jhargram, as well as Murshidabad, entire Murshidabad, Malda and North Dinajpur.
And you are going to deliver the results.
Yes, obviously. I did in last Panchayat election and last assembly election a little bit also.
So your candidate in Behrampur, his name is Apurva Sarkar, but his pet name is David. So do you think it's going to be a fight between David and Goliath?
David is a nickname. Apurva Sarkar is a unmarried social and political workers and he is totally devoted to the people. He is also a sincere political leader also.
Today something happened which has never really happened very much in Bengal, and that is a somewhat personal attack by Mamata Banerjee against Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary.
No, question does not arise. She said that such a public representative, he totally misled the people with his affidavit. His family member, his brother-in-law, Arit Majumdar, he told Didi that Didi, his affidavit does not show that my sister not married with him. It's a malified intention.
Finally,
A responsible public representative should not do this type of malified affidavit.
how serious is the BJP threat, Shubhendu? How serious is the BJP threat? Yesterday, I even saw you doing Ram Navami.
No, every year we are performing Ram Navami and others religious function also. Trinamool TMC means T for temple, M for mosque, C for church.
That's a new slogan.
No, TMC means T for temple, M for mosque, C for church. This culture is Bengali culture.
You are Mamata Banerjee's warrior in 6 districts. Now, a good warrior always knows his enemy very well. How well do you know your political enemy?
Now, in Bengal, last 2016 elections till today, Mamata Banerjee versus all. CPM and Left Front not fighting in Baharampur seat.
What about
The
BJP?
CPM worker are shouting slogan in favor of Congress candidate in Baharampur seat. And BJP also, Jongipur and Baharampur, they feel candidate as per the consultation with the Congress leadership. In Bengal is the exception case, Didi versus all.
The Trinamool candidate, Apurva Sarkar, better known as David. Apurva da na David da, কি বলবো জানি না, but
যে কোনোটাই বলতে পারেন।
যে কোনোটা। তো আপনি তো একসময় অধীর রঞ্জন চৌধুরীর ডান হাত ছিলেন, তো তারপরে কি হলো?
দেখুন, বহু অসম্মান, বহু ইগনোরেন্স হতে 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 অধীর চৌধুরীর মন্ত্রী হওয়ার পর অধীর চৌধুরীর যে পদস্খলন ঘটে, সেই পদস্খলনের শিকার শুধু আমি নই, আমি, আবু তাহের খান এমএলএ, সায়নী সিংহ রায়, আকরুজ্জামান, আশিস থেকে শুরু করে আমাদের বহু কংগ্রেসের নেতা কর্মী পদাধিকারী, তার পদস্খলন যেদিন থেকে শুরু হয়েছে। তাই একদিকে অপমান, অবমাননা, অসম্মান, আরেকদিকে মানুষের কাছে নিজেদের কমিটমেন্ট, উন্নয়ন। তাই মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের হাত ধরেছি শুভেন্দু অধিকারীর নেতৃত্বে।
কিন্তু লড়াইটা সহজ হবে?
দেখুন, এখানকার মানুষ যে স্ট্রাকচারের উপর একটা পিরামিড দাঁড়িয়ে থাকে, সেই পিরামিডের নিচের স্ট্রাকচার ছিলাম আমরা একটা সোলজার। কংগ্রেস পার্টির একটা সোলজার ছিলাম আমরা। হ্যাঁ, ওই একটা পিরামিডের তলের যদি স্ট্রাকচার নষ্ট হয়ে যায়, সে পিরামিডের মাথাটা থাকতে পারে না। স্বাভাবিকভাবেই কংগ্রেসের সেই পিরামিডের মাথাটার পতন 19 তারিখেই এই মুর্শিদাবাদ জেলায় শুভেন্দু অধিকারীর হাত ধরে হবে।
একটা জিনিস না, দিল্লিতে তো মমতা ব্যানার্জি, সোনিয়া গান্ধী, রাহুল গান্ধীর সঙ্গে কথাবার্তা বলছেন, আর এখানটায় লড়াই।
মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের লড়াইটা নরেন্দ্র মোদীর বিরুদ্ধে। 19 তারিখের জানুয়ারির সভায় সেখানে কংগ্রেস দল, সোনিয়া গান্ধী, রাহুল গান্ধী সবাই কিন্তু মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়কে সমর্থন জানিয়ে গেছেন। আর এখানে লড়াইটা এই কারণের, কংগ্রেসের মুখোশধারী যোগীর বাড়িতে নাস্তা খাওয়া অধীর চৌধুরী সিপিএমের কাঁধে ভর রেখেছে। সেই কারণের জন্যই আমাদের লড়াই, মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের লড়াই, শুভেন্দু অধিকারীর লড়াই এই কারণে।
So Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary of the Congress is a 4-time MP. He is fighting a parliamentary fight for the first time. Is this going to be a David Goliath fight?
ডেভিড গলিয়াতের লড়াইয়ের কনসেপ্টটা আলাদা। এখানে আমি ডেভিড, আমি এখানে প্রতিদ্বন্দ্বিতা করছি মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের প্রতিনিধি হিসাবে শুভেন্দু অধিকারীর নেতৃত্বে। আমাদের ডেভিডের, সেদিনের ডেভিডের যে হাতিয়ার, আজকের ডেভিডের হাতিয়ার হচ্ছে এখানকার মানুষ, এখানকার উন্নয়ন, এখানকার শান্তি, এখানকার সমৃদ্ধি। যে মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের উন্নয়ন, শান্তি, সমৃদ্ধি, আমরা এই লড়াই জিতব নিশ্চিতভাবে বলতে পারি।
Okay, so he is not the lone David. He has Mamata Banerjee on his side. He has Shubhendu Adhikari on his side. He has the support of the entire Trinamool party. So our David of Bahrampur, he says the battle with Goliath is an unequal one, and Goliath is going to lose. Let me go down to the next and last question, that is, David, your own creation, as it were, is now taking you on.
So what? Everybody has a right to fight against me. I do not care about it because I personally feel that so far as the blessings, the cooperation of the common peoples will be remaining with me, I shall be the victor.
So you will be David or Goliath? Because you know, in legend and scriptures, David was this young boy who managed to kill the giant.
You cannot compare the historical David and Goliath because here one person who has been nourished, nurtured by the Congress party has taken the route of treachery. So a treacherous person cannot be compared with either Goliath or actual David.
Aditya, what are you? Bengal's tiger or Bengal's Robin Hood or what?
See, I am proud of that. Common people have conferred me upon the epithet, have conferred me the epithet that Robin Hood or Bengal tiger. It is their emotional expression. I cannot make any kind of encroachment upon the emotional expression of